Hello beautiful people, let's make chicken curry sauce. These are the ingredients I'll be using. Let's get into it. Here I have the chicken breast and I'm cutting this into little chunks. Remember that there are no bones in this chicken breast, it's all flesh. And I'll transfer it into my pan. And now I have onions, pepper, garlic and ginger, and I'm going to grate it and transfer it into the chicken. Now I brought in thyme leaves and I also brought in curry powder and chicken seasoning with salt, and we're going to mix this to combine properly. I'll cover this and allow it to marinate for up to 30 minutes. And here are the veggies we'll be using for this wonderful sauce. Here I have the red bell peppers. I'm going to slice it and I'll remove the seeds from inside and I'll cut it into little pieces. I'll also do the same for the green bell pepper and the yellow bell pepper. You can always cut to the shapes and sizes you want. And here I have the onions. I'm going to also slice it, and the carrots also. I've scraped off the back of this carrot and we're going to slice it into little chunks. And here are all the ingredients. So when you prep your ingredients beforehand, it cuts the cooking time by half. And in my pot here, I already have the cooked rice we'll be using for this sauce. And let's get back to the chicken. I'll put on the heat with the pot covered and I'm going to simmer this for up to 5 minutes. And this is 5 minutes. We're going to stir this to mix properly. This is one meal you will want to have almost every day because it's so delicious. And now I brought in water, just a little water, and I'll mix all this to incorporate the water, and I'll cover this and cook for additional 5 minutes. Now I'm going to check for the salt and seasoning in the chicken, and I needed to add a little salt. I also added in curry powder because this is curry sauce. And I brought in the veggies. Here is the carrots, the green peas, the bell peppers. This will give amazing, beautiful colors to this meal. I also brought in the onions and sweet corn. Now we are going to mix all this in. Look at this beautiful color. It's as delicious as it's beautiful. Mix this in and I'll cover this to simmer for a minute. And after a minute, I came in with my cornstarch. This will help to thicken it. This is a tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with water, and you're going to stir it so well so that it doesn't leave any lumps in the sauce. And we'll mix all this together. Cover it for another minute, and after a minute our meal is ready because I still wanted the veggies crunchy. And we'll stir this and we'll go and serve. Here our rice is already in the plate, and we'll bring in our chicken sauce. This is so delicious. You can make this and enjoy yourself, because what's the need for all the hard work if you can't really enjoy yourself? Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.